I'm on the road again, this time to Alabama Hills. This beautiful and otherworldly location was used as the backdrop for many famous movies, and it's easy to see why. Good morning from Alabama Hills. I slept here for free last night and the stars out here were otherworldly. One thing that I found out so far is that it's kind of a bummer, but you used to be able to park wherever you want, but they have severely limited where you can park. So there's only so many places. It's very crowded here. I'm not sure if that was the solution. This used to be BLM land, but I think they've since changed it to something else. It's a little bit more restricted, but that's not going to stop us from having fun. We're at the foothills of Mount Whitney, so we're going to drive around and see what there is to explore around here. That's Mount Whitney in the background, the tallest mountain in the continental United States. The rocks of Alabama Hills were formed through a combination of geological processes, including uplift and erosion. When you're out here, you can just feel the energy that exists. It's truly amazing. This place just feels completely otherworldly. It's like a whole different planet. Look how beautiful this is. Overall, first impressions of Alabama Hills, I absolutely love it here. Super beautiful. I do wish that there were more areas to camp. I guess that during COVID it became a problem. Too many people came here and they had to regulate it. It is what it is. I'm glad that I got to check it out, but I think I'm gonna be looking for more of an area of seclusion. So I'm gonna be making some coffee and then we're gonna hit the road. This Coleman 2-burner stove is really easy and convenient to set up. I really enjoy this back cooking area of my van. I feel like I can continue to enjoy the great views of wherever I'm staying while I cook. That's the best coffee ever. As I head out to find my next location, I can't help but feeling so much gratitude to be able to enjoy a place that was this beautiful. I'm definitely going to have to come back again sometime. Well, after searching around for a little bit, I finally decided to come back to Motto Lake. It's just a little bit windy out here, but that's because there's no coverage. It's just kind of a barren plain with little shrubs, but it's some very epic landscape. Can't wait to get some star captures tonight, and pretty soon I'm gonna be making dinner. I'm feeling pretty hungry. It's a little bit windy. I'm gonna try to make dinner with the door halfway open. If I keep the door cracked half open, the wind shouldn't have enough force to blow the door into me. pasta. This will either be really fun or a huge mistake. Me taking the one wheel today. The sun just set. We lost the sun, and also this road is way more rough than I thought. I don't know if you can see that there. There's all these divots. I could easily walk it, but I don't know if I could handle it yet on the one wheel. Off-roading on the one wheel is people make it seem a lot easier than it actually is, at least for me. I'm working on my balance still. We have the beautiful backlit Sierra Nevadas right out here. And then here is our rough road. I don't know if you can really tell. This is the rough road we gotta try to get past. Should we send it? Well, I did not send it through there. I actually just got off the board and walked around those hills. I don't know how people go on this terrain. I just keep falling down, so I think I'm gonna just quit while I'm ahead and head back to the van and get warm. It's a little chilly and cold out here. Wonderfully last night. It was super windy. We have all of this wind coming off of the eastern Sierras, so it was blowing into my van, but I slept really great last night. I had no leaks in the van, very warm. It's not super cold out here. I'm in shorts now, but I'm gonna go for a run, get some breakfast, and then probably gonna head down the road and jump in the hot springs to warm up. This is talking about the crater that's just up ahead. I think we should go check it out. So I found this little piece of obsidian on the ground, and it's pretty cool because primitive cultures used to shape these, and it's really easy to chisel. See how you can get an edge on there, and it can fracture really easily. And they would make axes and tools to help them go about their everyday life. So that's really cool. So behind me is the tallest part of this rim. We're gonna go see if we can make it. I'm feeling pretty tired. There's a really cold, chill wind blowing towards me from the mountains, from the Sierras over there. And we're just gonna see how far we can go. I think we can make it though. It doesn't look too hard. What I really wanna know is, how did these 5 trees happen to grow on this rocky surface while only shrubs manage, mostly shrubs, you can see in here. How do they even get up top? It's so interesting. There must be a little more water there or something. This is the top of the little rim of the crater. And yeah, this is an amazing view. I'm really glad I came up here. So the rim keeps on going for a little bit longer, but with this elevation and with how hungry I am, I think I'm gonna head back the way we came and gonna get some food. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Love this here. It's amazing. Today I'm doing a quick breakfast of organic broccoli and some Hidden Valley Ranch, paired with a side of instant coffee. Breakfast of champions right here. So good. So this actually does taste really good. It was a little expensive, but what I really like about this is you can just mix it in with cold water and it's good to go. I added a little bit of creamer. I have these little hazelnut delight things. I added a couple of those into there because I like hazelnut and I'm bougie like that. Good job on the instant Starbucks coffee. It does make 40 cups of coffee, so that should last me quite a while. All right, let's go to some hot springs now. Oh man, the water's so warm. Wow. Oh, it's a good thing it's a hot spring. This is exactly what I needed. One thing that I wish people would do is if you're gonna come to a hot spring like this, make sure that you pick up after your trash. I will take as much as I can back. There's a dumpster right at the trailhead, but I'm gonna take as much as I can back and help clean this up, but this is just unnecessary. Just pick up after yourselves and leave no trace. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Check out this next video over here, where I explore an abandoned ghost town. I'll see you over there.